So whenever I start to ask a developer about documenting their journey, a common pushback is, I'm not ready yet, the project's not finished, and I'll post about it when it's done. Firstly, it should never be done. We want to see you living and breathing tech, which is a continual process. The project might finish, but that's not what we're doing. We're documenting our journey. We're not documenting just the project. So I want to get you into this drip feed idea. Secondly, most people think that one post about this is going to cut it. And let's think about that for a second. Do you really think that someone's going to sit there and go, oh, they've worked on this one project, but maybe you've written about in this post. It's quite a long post probably. And then you featured that post. So you've made quite a display of it on the profile, but someone's going to see it and go, oh, they've worked on this project and they've completed that project, written about it. They must have struggled quite a lot on that project, overcome lots of challenges and seen them through, learned a lot of different concepts and applied them. Do you really think this is going to happen? And this is the point, right? So they don't. They just go, okay, that's one thing, and it's about these technologies, some project they're doing, and don't even read it. They skim through it. They're just looking for the tech, looking for the value to them. Like, can I sell this? So they don't really understand the project. They don't want to know about the project. They just want to know what's the thing that I can leverage out of that project. And because they've got to read through a lot, it just becomes too overwhelming and they don't bother with it. So we're not trying to do that. And the way to think about this is to think about posts that appear on social media. The post goes out and then within a few minutes it's gone, it's vanished. Now we're featuring these posts, we're making sure they get seen on our profile, but that's the way this is. As someone's scanning down through your profile, they're looking for not just one indication that you can use these technologies, but lots of them. That's what the banner image, the headline, the about section, all of these things go to build this picture about you. And when they get to the activity, they want to see a few posts in the summary. In the summary, you get 3 posts, I believe it is. But if they decide to open it up, they can then see post after post after post or comment after comment of you continually talking about all the concepts, all the technical features that are on their job specification that they're searching for. And oh, I can see David lives and breathes this. He's always talking about it. They're not going to read the posts. They don't really know what they are anyway. But when they pass you forward to their client, when they pass you forward to that second stage of the technical interview, that person's going to say, why are you sending me this person? And they can marry all these things up. You asked for this piece of technology, they're using it here, here, and here. You asked for this, he's talking about this in these posts. And it all goes together to build this picture of a proactive developer. And that's the real game changer if you want to stand out, regardless of your level, whether you're junior, mid-level, senior, or whatever the higher levels are nowadays. If you can show proactivity, if you can show you're immersed in this, you're passionate about this and live and breathe this, you don't just say the words passion and enthusiasm, but you embody them, now you're starting to stand out. Hope that makes sense. So remember, one post is never enough. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.